First, you're going to remove the 8 screws on the frame of the bike. At this point, you need to decide if you're going to mount it on the top tube or the down tube of the bike. You're going to use the longest screws from the 8 screws that you removed from the bike already. Slide the tray into position. Using the 4 screws that you have selected that were the longest, attach the tray to the bike. On the underside of the top tube, you'll find the plug. Plug in the cord, then slot the wire through the channel. If mounting to the down tube of the bike, place the tray on the down tube, connect with the longest 4 screws that you selected before. Once all 4 screws are tightened, you will then plug in the tray in the plug underneath the top tube and slide the wire in the slot provided. Now, place your battery on the tray, sliding the battery forward to lock it to the tray. For any additional questions, contact us at arielrider.com.